All right, so I'm just recording, guys. I'm just gonna teach you how to withdraw GCash from your Do Prime account. Yan. So, diretso tayo dyan. Diretso na tayo para to. Turuan ko kayo. Let's go. So, pag wala lumalabas na GCash dito, all you need just to, is magko-course through siya, a payment provider. So, usually kay DragonPay meron yan. Right? So, kung wala ka pang GCash dito, kung wala pa yan, kasi ako meron ng GCash dito, di ba? So, here, if I want to upload payment details. Okay? So, ibig sabihin kasi niyan, si GCash ang si DragonPay ang withdraw sa'yo through your GCash. Okay? Kaya DragonPay. So, tawag doon is third-party providers. Okay? So, i-upload lang natin dito is local bank. So, ayan. Pili natin local bank. Marami kasi dyan pwedeng options. Okay? And then, from here, Bank Philippines. Okay, beneficiary is your name. Example, this is my name. And then, account number nalagay ko dyan, yung GCash number ko. Okay, and then, bank name, ayan, dami dito, guys. Okay, so, pero lalabas dito si GCash. Ayun, laki-laki GCash. Alright. Then, bank branch is GCash pa din. And then, withdraw is Conti. Okay. So, once you already upload all of this, i-submit mo lang yan. Lalabas na yan mismo sa iyong uploaded amount. So, for example, gusto mo na ituloy dito, click mo lang dyan, para dyan papasok. Okay? And then, magkano gusto mong withdraw? Example, I have 1,700 dito, pero gusto ko mag-withdraw, example, $50. Ang makakredit sa akin dyan is 3,000 pesos towards my GCash already. I-zoom in natin further. Yan. And then, $50 yung minimum withdrawal. So, upload natin. Yan, uploaded na siya. And then, here, DragonPay here. Pending approval. Okay naman ito. 8887312. Yan. Upload natin. 097. Upload tayo dito. And then, $50 dito. And then the pin will be here is I245. Yeah. Ayun. So we've received your process here. Now it's on the process na siya. So ganun lang kadali how to withdraw your GCash. Very, very simple lang. See you on the next video.